Want to know more about inner source? This is the video for you. Let me explain you what inner source is and what problem it solves. Hi everybody, welcome back to CoderDave and welcome to a new episode of the 3-minute series. In each episode, I will try and explain a concept, showcase a product or service, or yet try and teach you something, and all in just 3 minutes. Short videos, big value. Hopefully. Today we talk about inner source, and we will see what it means, what it is, and what problem it solves. But let's start the clock and get into it. So what is inner source? Inner source is basically like open source, but within a company or a set of companies. You can imagine it may be desirable for companies to share internally some reusable components, but they don't want, for legal reasons, copyright, or so on and so forth, share that externally. Inner source, in fact, differs from classic open source by remaining within the view and control of a single organization. The openness of the project extends across many teams within the organization, and this allows the organization to even have trade secrets into the code without the fear that they will be revealed to outsiders, while benefiting from the creativity and diverse perspective contributed by the people throughout the organization. Often organizations at a later stage decide to share part of those inner source projects with the public, making them de facto open source. And that is much easier because using the techniques and the mechanism of open source internally thanks to open source make the transition to a public arena much easier. Also, for companies building mostly closed source software, inner source can be a great tool to help break down silos, encourage internal collaboration, accelerate new engineer onboarding, and identify opportunities to contribute back to the software open source world. One crucial part of inner source is what's referred to as the discovery problem. How do you make sure that the people and engineers inside your organization can find the inner source projects when they need them, or for example, when they want to start a new project utilizing them? To solve this problem, you need to use the proper tool for the job. While you can do inner source using many of the platforms out there, only few of them make this process really seamless. And this is one area in which GitHub really shines, while other platforms like Azure DevOps and others are not that developed yet. You can, for example, create something like the SAP Inner Source Portal reference, the one you can see on screen, that reads data from your GitHub organization and presents that in a very nice way. If you want to take a look at this portal, you can find the link in the video description. And we're done, let's stop the clock. This was a very quick introduction about inner source, but let me know in the comment section below if you want me to go deeper into this topic in another video. So what is inner source? You can think of You can imagine, for example, that inner source is basically or in general when they used to need them. But that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next video here at CoderDave.